Beginning tonight, with hospitals around the Central Coast continuing to see a surge in COVID patients, and is putting a huge burden on hospitals already operating at capacity. In San Benito County, the only hospital there is now treating patients outdoors. With more on that, we go to Action News 8 reporter Felix Cortez, who's live in Hollister.
Well, Aaron, just behind, just over my left shoulder is an overflow tent set up outside the ER here at Hazel Hawkins Hospital. Now, this is only for patients with minor symptoms, but the hope is it'll free up bed space for those with more serious symptoms like COVID. Hazel Hawkins Hospital operating at crisis mode, and they want the public to know that.
We're hoping that people do understand that this is a crisis, and that, you know, we're at a critical juncture here of maintaining our staff levels and maintaining bed capacity for our community.
The hospital has 37 patients in-house, 20 of them being treated for COVID, down from 23 the week before. The surge in COVID patients forcing the hospital to set up an overflow tent outside the ER.
If the ER's full, then we can also triage folks out there and treat them out there. Say if they're coming in and they've just got some minor symptoms of something, that they can be seen out there, and then that frees up some of our ER beds for the more critically ill patients.
Hazel Hawkins forced to increase its number of beds, taking some from their nursing care facilities. The hospital, however, ruling out any plans to put COVID patients in those care centers.
And they have done that in other facilities and introduced COVID to the residents, and that's a deadly combination, and that's not something we're going to do.
As hospital admissions continue to rise, outdoor dining parklets remain empty in San Juan Bautista and downtown Hollister as the county remains in lockdown. And a plea tonight from county leaders for the public to follow COVID safety precautions.
We know this is a time for families. We know this is a time for gatherings. But right now, just for the health and safety of our community, stay home, stay in small groups if you're going to do it. Stay within your family group.
And of course, that's a big concern, not only here at Hazel Hawkins Hospital, but at hospitals all across the state, that we'll see a surge in COVID patients following Christmas and New Year's Eve, putting a further strain on resources and available beds. Aaron?
Felix, thank you. A spokeswoman for Hazel Hawkins says the hospital is expected to get an infusion of outside staffing early next week.